Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Triveni, working as Assistant Professor at Raghavendra Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Raipur, Autonomous. As a part of AICTE Millet Recipe, Unleashing the Talent, Unlocking the Flavors of Tradition and Innovation, and to celebrate the International Year of Millets, Amrit 2023, I am going to make Surgham Chapati and rolls with millet chutney. I want to express my sincere thanks to All India Council for Technical Education AICTE for conducting this type of program and for giving the opportunity to enlighten the health benefits of millets. Sorghum, also known as jowar, is a gluten-free, protein-rich millet which is widely available in India. Due to its properties, it makes a great alternative with plain rice and regular processed atta, which are regularly consumed. Jowar is rich in nutrients. It contains carbohydrates, proteins, fiber, sugars, fats, iron, calcium, potassium, sodium, zinc, magnesium, phosphorus and vitamins like B1, B2, B3 and E. Jowar mainly helpful to prevent oxidative stress and cancers, to control diabetes, for the weight management, to control heart health, to prevent inflammation. Let us see the preparation of jowar chapati, also called as Jonna Rotte in Andhra Pradesh. For this preparation, take sieved sorghum powder, ajwan, cumin seeds, turmeric powder and little bit of salt. Take one clean bowl, add 3 cups of water. For 1 cup of sorghum powder, I am taking 1.5 cup of water. Then add salt. Add crushed ajwan as shown in video. Add cumin seeds. Let it boil the mixture for 3 to 4 minutes. Once the water begins to boil, add little bit turmeric powder. Mix it well. Then add 2 cups of sorghum powder. For 1 cup of sorghum powder, 1.5 cup of water you have to take. Wait for 1 minute. When it begins to boil, then switch off the stove. Mix the water and powder mixture properly in one direction as shown in video. Then remove the content from the spoon or from the wooden surface. Then close the bowl with a lid or plate. Let it be cool. Meanwhile, let us see the preparation of millet chutney. The ingredients are garlic, onion, chilies, ginger, tomato, curry leaves, tamarind, barnyard millet, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, salt, coriander and mint. These are the ingredients. And take the pan, keep it on the stove and add 5 to 6 spoons of barnyard millets in pan. Dry roast the millets to get orange color. Adjust the low flame. Then take coriander seeds. Add cumin seeds 1 spoon. Dry roast it. Take it in the plate. Then add chana dal 1 spoon. Round urud dal 1 spoon. Dry roast it and take it in a separate plate. In the same pan, add 1 spoon of oil. Let it be heat and then add green chilli, 1 inch ginger, 3 to 4 garlic pieces, then onion. Fry it 1 minute. Then add tomato pieces Then add turmeric powder little bit. Then sufficient salt to the taste, 1.5 spoon. Close the lid for 1 to 2 minutes. Finally add tamarind 1 inch. Then add curry leaves, mint and coriander. Fry all the contents for 2 minutes. After frying, switch off the stove. Keep it aside to cool all the contents. Meanwhile, take 2 eggs, boil, remove the shell. In a mixer jar, first blend all dry ingredients: barnyard millets, chana dal, urud dal, coriander, cumin seeds. Make it as a fine powder. To this add remaining things like tomato, onion, green chilli, curry leaves, all the things. Take it in a mixer jar. If required, add some water for the proper mixing. Make it as a paste, fine paste. Again, if you required, add little bit of water. Now the chutney is prepared. In a small pan, take 1 tablespoon of oil. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, chana dal, urud dal, curry leaves. If you want, you can also add red chilli. All the contents transfer to chutney. Mix it well. Now barnyard millet chutney is ready. Let us prepare sorghum or jowar chapati. See the dough, how soft it is. Then transfer the dough into the rolling surface. Start kneading the dough. It is little bit hot. Knead the dough as showing in video. Kneading is very important. Knead the total dough as shown in video. If you want, you can add little bit of sorghum powder. After kneading, make the dough even size balls. To make chapatis first, dip the dough in flour and place it on the rolling surface. Make all the round balls. Dust the rolling surface first. Then dip the dough in the flour and place it on the rolling surface. Press the edges with hand first. Gently start the rolling it. To get round shape, rolling it properly. Place the tawa on stove. Heat the tawa. Apply little bit of oil for first time. And place the rolled chapati on hot tawa. Cook on one side. Meanwhile, prepare one more chapati. Roll it out. Other chapati. If it is sticky, remove with the knife. Then turn on the chapati. Apply the oil. Without oil also we can prepare jowar chapatis. Apply the oil both sides. Rotate it. Then soft and tasty, beautiful jowar chapati is ready now. Prepare second chapati also in the same manner. Then grate the boiled egg. Now the jowar chapati with the millet chutney is ready. Looking so beautiful and it is very tasty. Then see how to prepare the rolling. Apply some ghee and apply the Bonian millet chutney. Then add grated egg. In the place of grated egg, we can also take grated paneer. Then roll the chapati as shown in video. Press it gently. Cut it 2 pieces. You can see the rolling. It's very tasty and it is so soft. All age people will like to eat this type of chapatis. See that? Very soft chapatis are prepared. We have to follow some simple steps to get tasty chapatis. Kids also will like the chapatis. Once again, I thank All India Council for Technical Education (AICTE) for conducting this type of program, for giving the opportunity for the preparation of different types of millet recipes and also to enlighten the health benefits of millets. Thank you, AICTE.